DreamWorks Livingstone Beauty Contender, then followed over by Spitfire, while 5 o'clock is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Senior Cricket by about 3 lengths. Jet Satter in second. Dumadagundong comes next. Caught in the act, Luna Rosa, Hokey Hawk, Cool Dancer, Fairhaven Beauty Contender, then followed by Livingstone, DreamWorks 5 o'clock, second last, while Spitfire now racing in 13th. Back to the leader, Senior Cricket finds some opening down on the inside now. Is caught in the Dumadagundong, and on the outside, Jet Satter, Luna Rosa, Hokey Hawk comes next. And on the far turn, we have Dumadagundong on the outside. Caught in the act is running by the Jet Satter is down in third. Senior Cricket fading out, driving back in fourth. And Diana Winter in the home stretch. Dumadagundong now takes command by our head. Down on the inside is caught in the act. Jet Satter is on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. Dumadagundong caught in the act is down on the inside. And on the outside now is Jet Satter. We have Dumadagundong caught in the act. And finally it's Dumadagundong caught in the act. Jet Satter, Fairhaven, Hokey Hawk, and number 1 Beauty Contender for your